Namaste children, today we will see fractional numbers chapter 4, in that worksheet number 5 on page number 54. These word problems are based on addition and subtraction of fractional numbers. Now let us see the first word problem. It says, Anjali spent 1/5 of her pocket money on comics and 3/4 on her sweets. So the first information is she spent 1/5 of her pocket money on comics. Second information given is 3/4 on sweets. Now what is asked by us? It is how much of her pocket money did she spend altogether. When I say altogether, we have to add the given fractions. So according to the question, the first statement we will write fraction of pocket money spent on comics. Anjali has spent 1/5 of her pocket money on comics. And second statement says fraction of pocket money spent on sweets. Anjali has spent 3/4 of her pocket money for sweets. Now how will I calculate how much she spent altogether? Altogether, the word says adding. So what will I add? The two fractions that were given. That is 1/5 plus 3/5, 3/4. So when we have unlike fractions, we have to first take LCM, convert them into like fractions, and then add the numerators and keep the denominators same. So we have two unlike fractions, 1/5 and 3/4. We have to convert them into like fractions by taking LCM of the denominators. What are the denominators? 5 and 4. What is the LCM of 5 and 4? It is 20. Now I have to change the denominators as 20. So I have to multiply 5 with something so that I get 20. What should I multiply 5 with? 4. So what happens to the numerator? If you don't multiply the numerator with 4, numerator will feel bad, so you have to multiply there also. So you get 4/20. Next, 3/4. Convert the denominator into 20. How do I convert? By multiplying the denominator into 5. That is 4 into 5, 20. Multiply the numerator also with the same number. Do not take any other number. Now, I have converted 1/5 as 4/20, 3/4 as 15/20. What is my actual aim here? Conversion of like fractions and adding them. These I have converted as 4/20 and 15/20. When the denominators are same, I can directly add the numerators. 4 plus 15 is nothing but 19/20. So get 19/20 as the answer. So what is the fraction of pocket money spent altogether by Anjali for sweets and comics? That is 19/20. Now let us see the next question. In a high jump contest, Ramesh jumped 3 8/9 meters and Rakesh jumped 4 1/3 meters. In this sum we have two questions. First we have to find out who jumped more height, and then by how much more height did he jump. So according to the question, Ramesh jumps the height of 3 8/9 meters. So we write the statement as height jumped by Ramesh is equal to 3 8/9 meters. Now 3 8/9 meters, 3 8/9 is a mixed number. We convert it into improper fraction. Multiply the denominator and the whole number and add the numerator. 9 into 3, 27 plus 8 is 35. So we write 35/9 meters. In the same manner, height jumped by Rakesh is equal to 4 1/3 meters. Converted into mixed improper fraction is 13/3 meters. Now there are two questions in the same sum. One thing is who jumped more height. To calculate who jumped more height, we have to compare both the fractions. That is 35/9 meters and 13/3 meters. To compare, we have to take the LCM, make the denominator same, and then compare. LCM of the denominator By doing prime factorization, we will find out the LCM of 9 and 3, that is 9. Now convert both the fractions into like fractions. 35 by 9 already has 9 as its denominator, so we do not have to convert. 13 by 3 should be converted. How do I convert? I have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number so that the denominator becomes 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Numerator also has to be multiplied with the same number. So that becomes 39 by 9 meters. Now 35 by 9 meters and 39 by 9 meters. Which one is more? We compare the numerators and write the symbol. That means 39 by 9 meters was jumped by Rakesh. So Rakesh jumped more than Ramesh. So the first answer is Rakesh has jumped more than Ramesh. Now the second question in the same sum is, how much more height did Rakesh jump than Ramesh? Rakesh has jumped more, Ramesh has jumped less. So you have to subtract the lesser number from the bigger number. That is 39 by 9 meters. This is Rakesh height jump and this is Ramesh height jump. So I subtract, denominators are same. Write down the common denominator and subtract the numerators. Do not forget to put the units. For height, here units are given as meters. 39 minus 35 is 4 by 9 meters. So we write Rakesh has jumped 4 by 9 meters more than Ramesh.
Now let us see the next problem. Neha used 1 by 2 meter red ribbon, 3 by 4 meters yellow ribbon and 1 meter white ribbon for her project. Find the total length of ribbon she used for her project. When we say total length, we have to add all the quantities that we have with us. That is red ribbon, yellow ribbon and white ribbon.
So according to the problem, Neha uses 1.5 meter of red ribbon and she uses 3 by 4 meter of yellow ribbon and 1 meter of white ribbon. So we write the statements as length of red ribbon is equal to length of yellow ribbon is equal to and length of white ribbon is equal to. Whenever you have mixed fractions, we know that we have to convert them into improper fractions. Now we have all the fractions and what is the question asked? What is the total length of ribbon she used for her project? When I say total, we have to add. What all we have to add? Length of red ribbon plus length of yellow ribbon and length of white ribbon. Now denominators are not same. That means these are unlike fractions. I cannot add them directly. So I will convert them into like fractions in the rough column and then add. Now LCM of 1, can I write it 1 by 1? Yes. LCM of 2, 4 and 1 is 4. Convert all the denominators as 4. That means convert them into like fractions. 3 by 2 when converted. 2 into what is equal to 4. We have to convert the denominator. So look at the denominator and multiply it with some number so that it becomes 4. 2 into 2 is 4. In the same manner, you will multiply the numerator also. That means 6 by 4 meters. Next is 3 by 4. It already has denominator as 4. So you need not convert. And the last one is 1 by 1. If you have to multiply 1 with something to make it 4, what is it? 1 into 4 is equal to 4. And the numerator also is the same number. So we have 3 fractions and we have to add. Write down the 3 fractions together and add. Denominators are same, so we take the common denominator and add the numerator. 6 plus 3 plus 4, that is 13 by 4 meters. So what is the total length of ribbon used? It is 13 by 4 meters. How will you write the last statement? Neha uses 13 by 4 meters of ribbon for her project. This will be your last statement. Thank you, children.